Are you hungry? Do you want chicken fried steak, but chicken fried steak in the air fryer? Let's make a batch and see how well it turns out, shall we? We're going to need a couple ingredients though, so let's get ready for those. Alright, so for this recipe, we're going to need some dredging stations. We're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Got some right here. 1 egg. Some cube steak. We're going to need to season our flour too, so 1 cup of flour. Okay, so we need a teaspoon of salt. Make sure it's the teaspoon. Teaspoon of 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I don't have any though, so we'll use some onion powder. Need a teaspoon of this anyway. Teaspoon of paprika. Always wants to not come out. Always wants to stay in there and not be eaten. We'll add some Italian seasoning to this. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. On our other plate here, we will be cracking an egg. And adding half a cup of buttermilk to it. Not a big fan of buttermilk per se. We'll mix these together real quick. But we need it for our dredging station. Also got to season our flour here with all our seasonings. It's a different fork. Here we will salt, pepper, and put some seasonings on our cube steak over here in the corner. On both sides. I always try to do one side and then the other because less flipping. Pepper, a little bit more. Italian seasoning. Then we'll flip these over. Wash your hands. Grab some more salt for the other side. Some pepper. And Italian seasoning. Whoop, I don't need to take the lid off. You could add some hot sauce to the egg buttermilk. So what we're going to do is take our cube steak, put it in here, flip it over, push it in so that way they get a nice coating on there. Dip it into the egg buttermilk concoction here. Like so. Fish that out. Shake off the excess here. Put it back in our flour over here. So it's nicely coated. And then put it on a plate here. And we'll do this with all of them. Flour. Now it says when you coat these that you should wait 5 to 10 minutes after it's coated before you put it into the air fryer. Into the milk and egg concoction. Shake off excess. I didn't shake it all off there. Push it into the flour so that you get a nice evenly coat. We'll do this with all of them. Now would be a great time to get your air fryer preheating at 400 degrees. Alright, so we preheated our air fryer for 400 degrees. It's gonna cook for 16-ish minutes. So we're going to do these in batches.
Yep.
It says to spray some olive oil in there. So we'll do that. We'll check it in 8 to flip it. So after 8 minutes, it comes out looking like that. Flip it over. This needed to sit out a little longer, it looks like. And put it in for another 8 minutes. So after 16 minutes, this is how they come looking. Let's see if this is going to be 145. I don't know. I'm looking for 145. So I worry about the flour. Drop that temperature real quick. It says it's over, so it should be fine. But is it good? That's the question here. Is this good? Let's add some mushroom gravy to it real quick. Got some garlic parmesan green beans here. Now it's not as crispy as if you air fry it, or if you deep fried it in the on the stove.